Today is bread day. Welcome to Winans Window. Since finding my flour at the O'Keene flour mill, I've gone to just baking bread fresh. If you think making bread is something that you just can't do, for some reason yeast scares you, I want to encourage you to give it a try anyway. The new active yeasts that are out today, they're so much more forgiving. So growing up in Alaska with my dad being a gold miner, I had the wonderful privilege of growing up in some pretty remote locations. And some of my earliest memories is my mom baking bread. You may think, I don't have time to make bread. I am busy. Life is crazy and hectic. And yes, I agree. Even when we lived in the city, I tried to make bread at least a couple of times a month. It doesn't matter if you live in an apartment, you have a big house. When you walk in the door in the evening, start your bread. Really, truly, by the time you watch this video and you've done a load of laundry, you'll be amazed how easy it is actually to bake bread. Truly, there is just something relaxing, I would say therapeutic, about kneading bread. If you don't have a large mixer, don't be afraid to give bread a go, because kneading it on the counter, just your hands working the dough, you can feel stress leaving through your fingertips. I am all about leaving a legacy. passing down traditions to your children, giving them a purpose for life and a memory that sustains them through the rough times. Something as simple as pulling out a brown loaf of bread, slicing it, smothering it with butter, sitting down at the table, and just hashing over life's problems. Nothing says, "I love you," like a homemade loaf of bread. If you would like to keep up with more baking adventures, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you again next time on Wine in this Window.